वेलकम स्टुडंट. नाउ वी लर्न इनडेफिनेट इंटिग्रेशन. या युनिटमध्ये आपण इनडेफिनेट इंटिग्रेशन पाहणार आहे. दिस इज द फर्स्ट युनिट ऑफ अप्लाइड मॅथमॅटिक्स. नाउ देर आर सेव्हरल मेथड्स टू फाइंड द इनडेफिनेट इंटिग्रेशन. इनडेफिनेट इंटिग्रेशन काढण्याच्या काही मेथड्स आहेत. नंबर 1 दॅट इज इंटिग्रेशन बाय युजिंग स्टँडर्ड रिझल्ट. नंबर 2 इंटिग्रेशन बाय using substitution. Number 3 integration by using parts, that is multiplication rule. And number 4 integration by using partial fraction. So we start with the first method, that is integration by using standard result. Now see the examples. This is the first example. Solution of first, call this is I is equal to 1 upon sin square x plus cos square x dx. Now instead of this 1, put 1 is equal to sin square x plus cos square x. Use this identity. Therefore this I is equal to integration of या एक च्या ऐवजी sin square x plus cos square x ठेवा. sin square x plus cos square x upon sin square x cos square x. Now this integrand is in the form a plus b upon c. We can divide separately to the numerator. म्हणजे अंशाला इथं सेपरेट डिवाइड करता येईल. We can write this as a upon c plus b upon c. So this is a plus b, say c upon c. So we write is equal to integration of sin square x upon sin square x into cos square x plus this cos square x upon denominator, that is cos square x upon sin square x into cos square x with respect to x. Now this sin square x and sin square x, and here cos square x get cancelled. These are the factors, which is equal to 1 upon cos square x plus this is 1 upon sin square x dx. Now use trigonometry. ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रीचा वापर करा. 1 upon cos square x म्हणजेच sec square x plus 1 upon sin square x means cosec square x with respect to x. Now this is the sum of two terms, sec square x plus cosec square x. So we can operate this integration over each term. या प्रत्येक टर्म वरती काय करा, हे इंटिग्रेशन ऑपरेट करा. like this. इथे ॲडिशन आहे म्हणून we can write like this, which is equal to integration of sec square x dx plus integration of cosec square x dx, which is equal to, now integration of sec square x, integration, this is a standard result, this is also standard result. Integration of sec square x is a tan x plus integration of cosec square x is a minus cot x plus c. So at the end we get I is equal to tan x plus minus cot x plus c. So this is value of given integration. Now see next example. See this example number 2. Call this is I. Call given integration as I is equal to integration of 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x. First of all simplify this integrand by using trigonometry. ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रीचा वापर करायचा आणि हे इंटिग्रेशन सिम्प्लिफाय करायचं. This 1 minus cos 2x, this is nothing but 2 sin square of x, and 1 plus cos 2x, this is equal to 2 cos square of x. We put these values in this integrand. हे कसं होईल पहा, विच इज इक्वल टू 1 मायनस कॉस 2x म्हणजे 2 साइन स्क्वेअर x, 1 प्लस कॉस 2x म्हणजे 2 cos square x dx. Now these two will get cancelled, and by trigonometry this is a sin square x upon cos square x, which is equal to integration of tan square of x dx. Now we don't know the value of integration of tan square x, so we convert it into sec square of x. As we know this, a trigonometry is a formula of 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square of x. Therefore tan square of x is equal to sec square of x minus 1. Now put this value of tan square of x here in this integration, which is equal to integration of sec square of x minus 1 with respect to x. Now these are the two terms. Operate this integration over each term, which is equal to integration of sec square of x dx minus integration of 1 dx, which is equal to integration of sec square x. This is a standard result. This is also standard one. Now sec square of integration of sec square of dx, this is tan x minus integration of 1 is x plus c. So this is the required value of the integration. Now see next example, example number 6, that is I is equal to integration of 2 sin x upon cos square of x dx. Now see how to solve this integration. This integrand, this is in the form a plus b upon c, या form मध्ये. So we can write this as a upon c plus b upon c. We can divide separately to the numerator. Okay, म्हणजे इथे छेद समान असतील. We can add this numerator a plus b upon c. So which is equal to, see how this becomes, I is equal to integration of a upon c means 2 upon cos square x plus this is a sin x upon cos square x dx. Okay, so we simplify this like this. हे पुढं कसं सोडायचं बघा. 2, this is 2 upon cos square x. 2 upon cos square x म्हणजे काय, this 2 as it is, आणि 1 upon cos square म्हणजे sec square x plus use trigonometry. 1 upon cos square x means sec square x. This is हे sin x upon cos square x है. We write this as cos x into cos x dx. पहा हे cos square x into cos x असल्या. Now write value of sin x upon cos x and this 1 upon cos x. So which is equal to, I is equal to integration of 2 sec square x plus this 2 sec square x sin x upon cos x, which is equal to tan x into this is a 1 upon cos x, which is equal to sec x. Bracket complete with respect to x. Now this is the sum of two terms. या दोन टर्मची सम आहे. We can operate over each term. हे इंटिग्रेशन या दोन्ही टर्मवरती ऑपरेट करता येईल. Which is equal to integration of 2 sec square of x dx like this plus integration of tan x into sec x dx. Again this 2 is a constant, we can take outside the integration, which is equal to 2 times constant असेल like derivative, we can take outside the operator. याच्या बाहेर घ्या 2 sec square of x dx plus this is the integration of as it is tan x into sec x dx. Now these are the standard integrals, both are standard, which is equal to I is equal to 2 times integration of sec square x, this is a tan x, plus integration of tan x into sec x is a sec x plus c. So this is a given value of integration. See this example number 7, I is equal to integration of tan square x dx. So directly we don't know integration of tan square x. या tan square x integration माहित नाही. So we simplify using trigonometry. 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. Therefore tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. So therefore how I becomes integration, instead of this tan square x put this is a sec square x, use bracket कंसाचा वापर करा -1 with respect to x. Now this is a difference of two terms, वजाबाकी आहे, subtraction आहे. You can operate this integration over each term, प्रत्येक टर्म वरती हे ऑपरेट करते, which is equal to integration of like this, integration of sec square x dx minus integration of 1 dx. So this is nothing but standard, which is equal to, both are standard integration. Integration of sec square x, this is a tan x, minus integration of 1 is x plus c. This is required solution, required integration of tan square x. Now see next example number 8. Call this is I. So I is equal to integration of x raised to a plus a raised to x plus a raised to a dx. Now there are three terms. Operate over each term. या प्रत्येक term वरती integration operate करा. We can operate integration over each term only in case of addition and sub. इथं बेरीज किंवा वजाबाकी असेल तरच ही integration operate करता येईल. गुणाकारामध्ये इंटिग्रेशन ऑपरेट करता येणार नाही. सो विच इज इक्वल टू लाईक दिस, एक्स रेज टू ए डी एक्स प्लस इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ ए रेज टू एक्स डी एक्स प्लस इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ ए रेज टू ए डी एक्स. नाउ दिस इज एक्स रेज टू ए, दिस इज स्टैंडर्ड, दैट इज एक्स रेज टू ए इंटिग्रेशन इज एक्स रेज टू ए अपॉन log a, integration of x raised to a this x raised to a, this is in the form integration of x raised to n. इथं बेसला व्हेरिएबल आहे, इंडेक्सला कॉन्स्टंट आहे. सो दिस इज इन द फॉर्म x raised to n, व्हेरिएबल रेज टू कॉन्स्टंट, आणि त्याची किंमत काय, x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Similarly this integration of a raised to x dx, which is equal to a raised to x upon log a, this is a standard, and this a raised to a, both a and a are constant, therefore this is constant, we can take outside the operator, which is equal to, मग x raised to a चे इंटिग्रेशन या फॉर्म्युलाने लिहा, x raised to n, n means here a, म्हणजे n च्या ऐवजी फक्त a ठेवा, म्हणजे a plus 1 upon a plus 1 असं येईल. सो दिस इज x raised to a plus 1 upon a plus 1 plus a raised to x, integration is a raised to x upon log a, plus now this a raised to a is constant, take it outside, integration of 1 dx. हे कॉन्स्टंट बाहेर घेतल्यानंतर 1 राहील, हे लक्षात घ्या, which is equal to x raised to a plus 1 upon a plus 1 plus a raised to x upon log a plus a raised to a into, now write value of this integration of 1 is x plus c. So this is a required integration. Call this is I, integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square plus e raised to 4x dx. Now see how to solve this integration. So this is a again sum of two terms 1 upon 1 plus x square and e raised to 4x. या दोन्हीची बेरीज आहे. सो इन केस ऑफ ॲडिशन वी कॅन ऑपरेट ओव्हर ईच टर्म. या प्रत्येक टर्मवरती ऑपरेट करा. लाईक दिस इंटिग्रेशन 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर डी एक्स प्लस इंटिग्रेशन e raised to 4x dx. Now this is in the standard form. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx which is equal to tan inverse of x, and here integration of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x. This is standard. म्हणजे याची किंमत काय येईल, which is equal to integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square, this is nothing but tan inverse x plus, now here is x and instead of x this is a 4x. So this is called as a composite function. This is composite function. So how to find integration of composite function? So first of all write integration of e raised to u, call this as 4x as u, e raised to u integration as e raised to u by this formula, या फॉर्म्युलावरून. And since this is composite, divide by d by dx of this u, that is 4x plus c, d by dx of 4x. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढत असताना कंपोजिट फंक्शनच्या डेरिव्हेटिव्हनं मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आणि इथे इंटिग्रेशन काढत असताना डिवाइड बाय डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ कंपोजिट फंक्शन, जो कोणी u आहे त्याच्या डेरिव्हेटिव्हनं काय करायचं, डिवाइड करायचं इन केस ऑफ फाइंडिंग इंटिग्रेशन. सो डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ 4x, वी फाइंड डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ 4x विच इज इक्वल टू 4 कॉन्स्टंट आउटसाइड इंटू डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ x विच इज इक्वल टू, आता हे स्टँडर्ड आहे, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ x इज 1, सो दिस इज 4 इंटू 1 विच इज इक्वल टू 4. So this is d by dx of 4x is equal to 4. So therefore how this I becomes, I is equal to tan inverse of x plus e raised to 4x upon this d by dx of 4x which is equal to 4 plus c. So this is the integration I, 1 upon sin square x 2x dx. So as usual call this is I is equal to 1 upon sin square x 2x dx. So use trigonometry, 1 upon sin square x which is equal to integration of cosec square of x dx, cosec square of 2x dx. Now we know the integration of cosec square of x which is equal to minus cot x, म्हणजे ते x च्या ऐवजी तो 2x आहे. So this is called as a composite function, call this 2x as u. Okay, instead of x there is a 2x, call this 2x as u and use different integration of composite function which is equal to cosec square of u, integration of cosec square of x minus cot x, integration of cosec square of u minus cot u, minus cot u, u means 2x. Since this is composite, divide by its derivative, divide by d by dx of 2x plus c which is equal to minus cot of 2x upon d by dx of 2x, 2 constant outside the derivative, d by dx of x which is equal to 2 into this d by dx of x is 1 which is equal to 2. So which is equal to 2 plus 2 plus c. So this is nothing but I is equal to minus cot 2x upon 2 plus c. So this is required integration. So these are the some examples of integration by using standard result. So this is the first method of finding integration. Now in second lecture we see the integration. We learn the integration by using substitution. Now see this next example, number 3. Call this is I is equal to integration of e raised to x plus x raised to e plus e raised to e dx. Now these are the sum of three terms. ये एक term है e raised to x, x raised to e and e raised to e. So operate this integration over each term. या प्रत्येक term वरती हे operate करा like this या पद्धतीने integration of e raised to x dx plus integration of x raised to e dx plus integration of e raised to e dx. Now this is standard integration. e raised to x dx त्याचे integration आहे e raised to x say plus c. This is x raised to e. This is in the form x raised to n. या ठिकाणी x raised to n चा फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा which is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. And this e raised to e, this is a constant. He e raised to e है constant. You can take outside the integral sign. So we write like this: integration of e raised to x is e raised to x plus this is x raised to n. So call this as n. हा e आहे त्याला n म्हणा. So this is x raised to e plus 1 upon e plus 1. म्हणजे याचे इंटिग्रेशन या फॉर्म्युलाने काय येईल x raised to e plus 1 upon e plus 1 plus now this e raised to e, this is constant, take it outside, inside will be e raised to x, sorry, e raised to e outside, inside will be 1 dx, and this is also standard, its integration is x. So which is equal to e raised to x plus x raised to e plus 1 upon e plus 1 plus this is e raised to e into this integration of 1 is x plus c. This is I. This is a required integration of given example. See this example number 4. Call this is I is equal to tan x plus cot x bracket square with respect to x. याचे इंटिग्रेशन काढत असताना पहा इथं स्क्वेअर आहे. सो दिस इज सम ऑफ टू टर्म्स. हे कोणत्या फॉर्ममध्ये तर ए प्लस बी ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. टॅन एक्सला ए म्हणा अँड कॉल दिस कॉट एक्स एज बी. याला ए आणि बी म्हणा. सो दिस इज ए प्लस बी ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. सो ए प्लस त्याचं एक्सपान्शन काय ए स्क्वेअर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वेअर. सो विच इज इक्वल टू इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ ए स्क्वेअर म्हणजे टॅन स्क्वेअर प्लस 2ab म्हणजे 2 इंटू टॅन एक्स इंटू कॉट एक्स प्लस दिस इज बी स्क्वेअर म्हणजे कॉट स्क्वेअर एक्स ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. ठीक आहे. या फॉर्म्युल्याचा वापर करायचा आणि एक्सपान्शन करायचं. ए प्लस बी ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर ए स्क्वेअर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वेअर विच इज इक्वल टू इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ टॅन स्क्वेअर एक्स प्लस दिस इज 2 टाइम्स टॅन एक्स म्हणजे काय तर साइन एक्स अपॉन कॉस एक्स आणि हे कॉट एक्स म्हणजे कॉस एक्स अपॉन साइन एक्स असेल प्लस this is a cot square x with respect to x. Now this is a sin x आणि sin x कॅन्सल होईल. अपोजिट पोझिशनला आहे cos x cos x will get cancelled, which is equal to integration of tan square x plus 2 plus this is a cot square x dx. Now once again put value of tan square x and cot square x using identity. म्हणजे हे 1 प्लस tan square x इंटिग्रेशन आपल्याला माहीत नाही आहे. सो वी राईट 1 प्लस tan square x is equal to sec square of x, or this is 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosec square of x. 1 plus tan square x is sec square x, therefore tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. Similarly here cot square x is equal to cosec square x minus 1. Now we put instead tan square x sec square x minus 1, which is equal to integration of tan square x means sec square x minus 1 plus 2 plus this is a cot square x, which is a cosec square x minus 1 with respect to x. Now this minus 1 that will be minus 2, and this plus 2, this all will get cancelled. So which is equal to integration of sec square of x plus cosec square of x dx. Now this is sum of two terms. या दोन टर्म्स ची बेरीज आहे. सो वी ऑपरेट दिस ओव्हर ईच टर्म विच इज इक्वल टू इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ sec square of x dx plus this integration of cosec square of x dx, which is equal to I is equal to integration of sec square x, which is equal to tan x plus integration of cosec square x, which is minus cot x plus c. So this is a required answer, required integration. Remember these are the standard. हा स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म्युला आहे sec square x integration tan x. Similarly integration of cosec square x is equal to minus cot x. Now see how to solve example number 5. I is equal to integration of square root of 1 plus sin of 2x dx. फाय इथे स्क्वेअर रूट आहे. टू कॅन्सल दिस स्क्वेअर रूट, हे स्क्वेअर रूट कॅन्सल करण्यासाठी एक्सप्रेस दिस अंडर रूट क्वांटिटी ॲज अ स्क्वेअर, ह्याचा स्क्वेअर म्हणून एक्सप्रेस करायचं. नाव हाऊ टू एक्सप्रेस, सो इन्स्टेड ऑफ दिस 1, या 1च्या ऐवजी काय ठेवा, 1 इज नथिंग बट साइन स्क्वेअर एक्स प्लस कॉस स्क्वेअर एक्स. 1 is equal to sin square x plus cos square x. So and similar, and sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. हे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रीचा यूज करायचं. सो दिस इज I विच इज इक्वल टू इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ 1 म्हणजे काय तर साइन स्क्वेअर एक्स प्लस कॉस स्क्वेअर एक्स प्लस साइन एक्स साइन ऑफ 2x म्हणजे 2 साइन x कॉस एक्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. आता या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये साइन एक्सला a म्हणा आणि कॉस एक्सला b म्हणा. सो दिस इज हाउ दिस एक्सप्रेशन बिकम्स, कॉल साइन एक्स ॲज a अँड साइन एक्स ॲज a अँड कॉस एक्स ॲज b. मग साइन एक्सची व्हॅल्यू काय ठेवा a, म्हणजे काय होईल a स्क्वेअर कॉस स्क्वेअर एक्स म्हणजे b स्क्वेअर 2 साइन एक्स कॉस एक्स म्हणजे 2ab. सो दिस इज a स्क्वेअर प्लस b स्क्वेअर प्लस 2ab आणि दिस इज एक्सपान्शन ऑफ a प्लस b ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. सो वी राइट दिस इंटिग्रँड ॲज I is equal to integration of square root of a means a square plus b square means sin x plus cos x bracket square with respect to x. A square plus b square plus 2ab means a plus b means sin x plus cos x bracket square which is equal to integration of, आता पहा हे स्क्वेअर रूट आणि हे स्क्वेअर दोन्ही कॅन्सल होईल, सो व्हॉट रिमेन्स sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, square root and square get cancel which is equal to say I, this is a sum of two term, या दोन टर्म्सची बेरीज आहे. वी कॅन ऑपरेट, बेरीज किंवा वजाबाकी असेल तरच इंटिग्रेशन आपल्याला या ठिकाणी ऑपरेट करता येईल. इन केस ऑफ मल्टिप्लिकेशन वी कॅनॉट ऑपरेट. इंटिग्रेशन ओव्हर साइन एक्स dx plus integration of cos x dx, so which is equal to, these are the standard integration of sin x which is equal to minus cos x plus integration of cos x, this is nothing but sin x plus c. So this is a required value of given integration I.